Uh-oh, did you drop it?
No.
Wait a minute, Ryan will get it. Now play. Well, tell him to get it out, please.
Let's see. Here you go.
Okay, play us a song. You got to give one to Ryan. No, do it easy. Use your pick. No, you can't play that one. Give one to Ryan. Uh-huh. Give one to Ryan.
Right, let me see one.
Give Ryan one, please. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, Clayton.
Okay, now play your guitar, Ryan. You play, Clayton. No. Oh, no. You lost it. No, play your song again. The one you just played. Uh-oh. Did you lose it? There it is. Here. Here, baby. Here. That's right. Now play me a song. No, you should pick. That's right.
That's right.